nice to be with you again, and it's a privilege for me to introduce you to Michel Ouellette, my colleague. Michel is a seasoned engineer with Bombardier. Hi, Michel.
Hi, Eve.
When I say seasoned, how many years does that mean for you in the company?
The real number?
Yeah.
31.
31 years.
Yep.
So when it's time to talk about planes, I guess I have the right person in front of me, right?
I should be able to answer a few questions.
So first question I want to ask you is, the Challenger 3500, we have the mock-up right here. Tell me about that specific product.
One, I'm in love with that product. It's a great product, and I've been privileged, honestly, to be working on that product from the onset of every improvement. We had the Challenger 300, we brought it to the 350, now the 3500. Like, we're leading, always like getting the product better. So I'm really, really pleased about that. In this case, for the 3500, I mean, we had this whole sustainability aspect that we brought. We are really, really pleased. So we have an environmental product declaration that we did on the 3500, and we're really, really happy about that.
Is this the first plane that has its environmental product declaration?
Actually, we have it on the 7500.
Okay.
That's where it all started, 10 years ago almost, when we started working to get those declarations. Then we got it on the 6500, and we're just in the midst of doing it for the 3500, and we're the only ones in the industry doing this.
So when it comes to sustainability, I think we can say we're not catching up, right? Like, we're doing everything we can to push the boundaries and make sure we're innovating in that direction.
Definitely.
That makes me really proud. So
yeah, us too.
How is this product, the Challenger 3500, responsible and sustainable?
One, we introduced what we call eco-responsible materials, or new materials, such as eucalyptus wood, what we called upcycled wool and polyester. So we want to make sure we have an offering for our customers so that they can actually have the choice to make these, to have sustainable choices. We've actually did the flight test program for this aircraft and wanted to be carbon neutral. So that's a first also in the industry and for us.
Wow.
So basically by using sustainable aviation fuel or by just doing carbon offsetting. So we're doing this on our flight test program. And the third thing we did is have an app that the pilots can actually use to optimize their routes so that they can have less fuel burn and basically less environmental footprint.
That's amazing. So it's a great plane, and on top of that, it performs, and you've not compromised the quality.
Definitely.
I want to say to you and your team, congratulations, because sustainability is something that it's the topic of NBAA today, and I feel like Bombardier has such a leadership position in that. So congratulations.
Thank you. And we do, because we have an outstanding team. So it's thanks to the entire team, because they do great work to bring us where we need to be.
Thanks, Michel. Thank you so much for joining us today. In the next segment, we're going to talk about product and services and why they are so key to Bombardier. Until then, be well.